everybody from Universal Orlando Islands of Adventure, where you can see Jurassic Coaster now has this low to ground turn right left in place, as well as a new support that's going up to complete the top hat. So soon we'll have an idea of what that top hat shaping is going to look like once those connectors are in place. And let's go take a closer look at that. Over here in front of Mythos, it's still hard to tell exactly what the angle of the drop will be until more connectors are in place on this second support, but I'm sure that we'll see it soon, possibly even overnight we'll see the support go up more. And that new piece of track sticking up being the exit of the dive loop, the second element of this roller coaster. Now for some quick pictures. Here's the turn out of the station. You go towards the right into that first show building. And another angle of that show building here where you're likely to pause before the first launch. And that curved piece of track right in the middle being the exit of the Immelman and the entry into the dive loop, going right to left in this image. And the track right in front of us in this picture is the entrance into the tunnel on the left. And then you can see some rock work as well being started on the right bottom of this image, where the track will fly down and then back up and into either a heartline roll or a raised S-bend. It could be either one of those. And looking through the station here, you can see that curved piece of track, part of the transfer section, which brings trains either into the station from the storage facility or brings them into the storage facility, which is this large building here. Some theming being added here, right along the waterfront in front of Popeyes. That is it for today's update as we take one last close look at these top hat supports. And as always, thank you for watching, and until next time, see ya!